Philosophical question. What is light? What is light? And light in physics department is not the same as light in philosophy department. In physics department, light, this is wave and particle simultaneously. And in philosophy department, light not able to pass test for particles. Because to become particle, there is special test. And light never was not able to pass this test. It's always fail. So, what is test in philosophy department? In philosophy department, test for particle, this is like this. If to drop the pencil done from particle, it's possible to see this gravitation straightforward. See the particle and pencil pass the test for particles. But light never always fail. It's never fall. Because this, if light somehow be particle, it definitely will be possible to see it. With the gravitation will find the particles and this would be visible. So in philosophy department, and if light not particles, then what is light in philosophy department? In philosophy department, light, this is Christmas tree, like this. Why Christmas tree? Because Christmas tree during long years of evolution was creating technology how to most efficiently hunting for the light. The Christmas tree generation after generation was looking for the structure how best to obtain energy from the light, and finally it come to the structure which kind of copy the structure of light. So if light is Christmas tree, then light have to have core of light, branches of light, needles of light, and needles of light, they have such tiny small leaves of needle of light. And on paper it's going to be looking like this. So for example, this is candle. For example, this is candle. The core of light is looking like this. This is core of light. Here there are several. And branches of light is looking like this. Needles of light is looking like this. And when needles of light are spinning like this, flying, they spinning like this, and they also turning around the axis, and they rotating, and when they rotating, they create leaves of needle of light, and this is everything create and adding speed to the light. So core of light is moving with speed of light. Branches of light is the speed of branches of light is two times higher than speed of core of light. The speed of needles of light is 3 times higher than speed of core of light, and the speed of leaves of needle of light is 4 times higher than speed of core of light. Why like this? Because they are starting in the same time, they are starting simultaneously, and they crossing the finish line simultaneously. Core of light carry branches, needle, and leaves of light in state of teleportation, because their speed dramatically higher than speed of core of light. So how this looking in real life? Good question. How this looking in real life? Okay, let's see. For example, this light. Any light, it's carrying information about source of light. Any light which is shining carry information from where this light coming from, and it's possible to extract this information, and it's possible extract from the branches of light and from the core of light. Also possible extract from needles of light, and it's possible extract from leaves of needle of light. Okay, for example, this information, this is light, and when shining on the wall, this light carry this information, and this possible extract this information. Okay, this is how this looking like. Yeah, I extract information, and this is information from the place where branches of light connecting to the core of light. This is place, and this is branches of light. This is like this. This is information. I extract information from branches of light, and speed of these branches of light is two times higher than speed of core of light. Yeah, this is place where branches of light attaching to the core of light. And core of light send information into macro world. And branches of light, they send information about sort of light into micro world. So it's possible to see. That's okay. For example, this now facing the farther the distance, bigger the information. It's become bigger. This information sent into macro world from our address. Light sending this information from the core of light, and from the light will send information into micro world. And for example, if this will be too far, now this send this wall, then they become smaller, smaller, and information about source of light will go into microvolt. Yeah, this is, it becomes very tiny, small, like this, yeah, almost. Okay, let's do like this. Now, moment of truth. Is it possible somehow visualize how speed in the branches of light is 2 times faster than speed of core of light? Yes, it's possible to see, and to see it's, for example, this light. If to extract light from this light, it will be looking like this. Yeah, this is light, and this is core of light. This is where core of light attached to the branches of light. And from this core of light, if to jump into branches of light, if to jump into microvolt, then it's possible to see how speed becomes 2 times faster than in the core of light. But the best to see, it's necessary not from ongoing light, it's necessary from oncoming light. Like this, it's necessary that light be oncoming in opposite direction. So now I'm going to force to jump into core of light. Yeah, now I'm in core of light. And now I will jump into branches of light, into microvolt. Yeah, that's it. Now speed of light is 2 times faster than here. Here in macrovolt time the speed is 2 times slower. Okay, here in branches of light. So from core of light jumping now to branches of light, and it's possible to see that everything become instantly. The light instantly jumping from the wall into the phone. There is no distance. The distance is because speed of light become 2 times faster. It's instantly swallowed by speed of light. And now how this, when it's in core of light, now jumping back into the core of light, and it's possible to see how everything becomes slowly. Everything becomes slowly. Let's do again. Now jump into branches of light. Yeah, and it's possible to see that any motion is straightforward jumping back into state of teleportation. The branches of light, they want to, because so high speed, they want to jump back into the state of teleportation. Okay, how is it going to look like on paper? On paper, this is like this. For example, this is core of light. The core of light is straight line. And branches of light, they have the same points. They have points here, 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 here. This is points where it's possible to extract the places of attachment. And between this and this point, the branches of light are in state of teleportation. The core of light carrying the branches of light here state of teleportation, here state of teleportation, because they starting simultaneously and they crossing finish line in the same moment. And speed, because here distance is much 2 times smaller, the speed would be 2 times slower. This speed would be 2 times faster. Yeah, and this is how they in state teleportation. But if to extract extract light somehow from needles of light, speed of light would be higher 3 times. Yeah, if to extract information from the speed, it's necessary from, again, this would be point of extraction in these places. In these places, this would be needles of light and leaves of needles of light, again possible to extract in these places, but this would be speed would be exceed speed of core of light 3 and 4 times.